Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to change your background, or actually remove your background from one particular background to a plain background, which you can now use to for whatever purpose you want it to achieve. Now you can see that this was the original picture, and you can see these images that have been created with this particular background removed. So you can remove unwanted background for your pictures and your photos. All you have to do is to click on this here. Now this is different from background changer. This will not change your background. This would remove the background of your image. So you should note that if you want to change your background, can go to the image editor and click on this background changer. However, is a background remover, so you get um, a blank background like this, and this means that you can actually remove or move the subject of your image left, right, front, center. So all you have to do is to drop your image here and then remove your background. It's quite free. It says gives you 5 free per day, no watermark, high quality, 100% privacy. You have all you need to actually do great things here. So let me know what you guys think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe to the channel as we're actively trying to grow. Thank you very much, and do have a great day, guys.